Hello, welcome to SmartMyths. In this video, we will be talking about fraction. Fraction is used to represent a portion or part of the whole thing. For instance, you cut an orange into 4 pieces, and you eat 1 out of the 4 pieces. You just ate a fraction of the orange. Or when you eat a pizza piece from a whole set of pizza, you just ate a fraction. A fraction is made up of numerator, which is the number in the upper part of the fraction, and a denominator, which is the number in the lower part of the fraction. We have 3 main types of fraction: the proper fraction, which have a smaller numerator than the denominator; the improper fraction, which have a bigger numerator than the denominator; and the mixed fraction, which is made up of a whole number and a proper fraction, but we'll be focusing on proper fraction in this video. Now, let's move to addition of proper fraction. Let's say you have half orange, and your mom give you another half orange. That will be making a whole orange. That is addition of fraction. Now, let's try this. A quarter plus a quarter. The first step to take when adding or subtracting fractions is to find the common denominator. So, the common denominator of these 2 fractions is 4. We will write it this way. Then we divide the common denominator with the denominator of each fraction. Then multiply the result with the numerator of each fraction. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 1 times 1 plus 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 1 times 1. We have 1 plus 1 over 4, which equals 2 over 4. We can reduce this to the lowest term as a half. Thus, a quarter plus a quarter equals a half. Let's try this too. 2 over 3 plus 3 over 4. Find the common denominator. Seems the fractions have different denominators. No problem, it's easy. Multiply the 2 denominators to have a common relationship between the 2 fractions. 3 times 4 equals 12. We will write it like this. Divide the common denominator with the denominator of each fraction, and multiply the result with the numerator of the fractions. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. 4 times 2 plus 12 divided by 4 equals 3. 3 times 3. We have 8 plus 9 over 12, which equals 17 over 12. Thus, 2 over 3 plus 3 over 4 equals 17 over 12. Let's try this too. 2 over 5 plus 1/3. We will start by finding the common denominator, which is the relationship between the denominators of the 2 fractions. Since the denominators are different, we will multiply the 2 denominators. 5 times 3 equals 15. We will write it like this. Then we divide the common denominator with the denominator of each fraction. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. 3 times 2 plus 15 divided by 3 equals 5. 5 times 1. We have 6 plus 5, which equals 11 over 15. Thus, 2 over 5 plus 1/3 equals 11 over 15. Now, try this on your own. 2 over 3 plus 3 over 5. You can pause the video if you need more time. Cool, right? Great attempt. The answer is 19 over 15. Bye. See you next time. SmartMyths. Be the smartest.